Now we have another way of cooking corn on the cob. This is the way you're actually going to do it when you're cooking it outside on a grill. You want to take ice cold water. You want to take your husk and your salt. You want to take the outer layers off your corn on the cob. And break off the end if you want to. And roll it around in the water. Right now we're just going to cut the end off so it'll fit in the bowl. You can actually leave that on there, it'll hold it all together. So you want to immerse it in the cold water and add your kosher salt. You want it to sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. Mix it all in there. And then when you put it on the grill, you see the coals are red hot. You're going to cook it about 20 to 25 minutes.